got a Murray 21 inch 625 EX Briggs & Stratton. I'm going to pull the carburetor off because it will run if you put gas in the carburetor, but then it just dies. I'll show you what this lawnmower is doing. First I'm going to take the cover here off and take the filter off. Take a little bit of gas here. I'm going to spray it in there like so. And I'm going to pull the cord. So that's what it does. So it's got to be a carburetor issue. Now what I'll go ahead and do is take these 4 little screws here out. And I'll go ahead and remove this little cover right here, but to get this off, there's a little hose back here. Just pops right off. Okay, go ahead and come in here and take this screw out, and this screw back in here out. Remove this cover from the top. It's really simple. Now what I'll do is I'll take a pair of pliers, get back in here, and grab this clamp and move it off of my gas line. Next I'll go ahead and take my hemostats and I will pinch the gas line so that gas will not flow through the gas line. Then I'm going to unhook it from my carburetor. Now at this point, if you want to, which I'm going to do, is just lift the gas tank up and off of here and get it out of your way. That way you don't have to worry about it leaking anywhere. It's really simple. You don't have to, but it's a lot easier this way. Now you got real good visibility of everything, where it's at, how it goes, and when you get ready to put the carburetor back on, you have nothing in the way. Now the carburetor is not bolted on. All you got to do is pull the carburetor out, and you'll be able to see right here where it starts separating. Pull it out. I got an O-ring and a sleeve in there. I'll turn my carburetor around like here and take my linkage off on this side. Now I'm going to go ahead and flip it up and take the linkage off of this. And you will have some gas in the carburetor, so just put a rag down, it will soak it up. I'm going to go here and fix this, and I'm going to put it back together. I'm going to take this screw here out, I'm going to take this screw here out and pull the bottom bowl off. Like so. There we go. As you can see, that's got some debris in the bottom of it. I'll clean that up. I got that cleaned up, and this is a really good design because they put an O-ring on there that's reusable other than a gasket. So that's a plus. Okay, here's the carburetor. As you can see, it's got this, looks like it's pushed in there pretty good. It's got a ball bearing here. That wasn't the issue. The issue is right here. This little hole right here was plugged up. I took a wire, pushed it in there, and cleaned it out with some carburetor cleaner. I got everything cleaned out, back together. Now I'm going to put it on and see if it works. So what I can do now, I can go ahead, reach down here and take this O-ring off. I can put it inside here. Just go ahead and get it seated in there. I can go ahead and take this white sleeve off. I can go ahead and get it down in here. Okay, I got my O-ring and my sleeve seated down in here flush. What I'm going to do now is go over here. I'm going to take my linkages. I'm going to hook my linkage up to right here. This top linkage goes right in here. And I have a little indentation right here sticking out. It will actually slide inside this metal brace. Get my hose up here out of the way. I'll need that later. Go ahead and put your pieces in place so that you can just push them in. And there it is. Carburetor's set. All we got to do is hook up all the little stuff. Okay, now I'm going to put my gas tank here on and hook it up to the carburetor. Slides right down in here and snaps, just like so. Now I will hook up the gas line. Take the clamp off of it. I'll take my pliers and put the clamp over to the gas line end. There it is. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and put this plate on. That is what holds our carburetor in place tightly. And it's even got this seal right here that pushes against it. Make sure you put your breather hose on the back, like so. Make sure it's on there really good. Got these little indentations that go in there to put it in place. And you go ahead and put your 4 screws back in. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the recoil back on the top of it. Okay, now it's all together. I'll put the breather and the cover back on after I start it. Like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. Thanks for watching.